I grabbed some luxury deals at crazy discounts on Nykaa Spring Friday sale. This is a non-sponsored video. Let me show you everything I shopped. So starting with hair first. Next is this beautiful hair mask from Nexus and it is so good. This is ProMed Repair Keratinizing Treatment hair mask, and you know that I take my hair very seriously and everyone should, because that's the most expensive accessory that we have. This is beautiful if you have dry hair. It works so well for dry hair, damaged hair, and it makes it so softer, removes the frizz, and this is just beautiful. It's on crazy discount on Myntra right now. It's expensive, but if you get your hands on it, it's going to last you quite long क्योंकि थोड़ा लगाना. And if you're also troubled by frizz like me, then this is Moroccan Oil's Frizz Shield Spray. It is so good. Like really, अगर आप मास्क लगाते हो, उसके बाद शैम्पू करते हो, कंडीशनर करते हो, and then you can use a leave-in conditioner because obviously dry damaged hair के लिए थोड़ा सा problem होता है. Then you can spray this thing on you and you can really see the frizz tame down. It is so amazing. और सबसे अच्छी बात है, it smells gorgeous. It has the most beautiful smell. Like when you put it on your hair, it smells like salon, or I can say that even better. It's so beautiful. Like if you really want to get it, you can get it. All these products are at crazy discounts. This is the Oasis Hair Sparkler by Schwarzkopf and it is also amazing. It's basically a spray that you can spray on your hair when you're heat styling. तो जब आप इसको heat style करते हो या blow dry करते हो, curls करते हो, तो this product really sparkles and shines because the heat activates this product. Now again, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा weddings और events में नहीं जाना है, घर शादियाँ वादियाँ बहुत attend नहीं करनी, तो this is not for your regular use, then you can skip it maybe. But if you have lots of weddings, events, ऐसी कुछ चीज़ें हैं, या you are also shooting, you need something like this, then only you can invest in this. Otherwise, you can obviously skip it. My most favorite is this bonding oil, and this is available normally otherwise at 3,300 rupees, and right now you can get it for as low as 2,400, 2,200 as well. अगर आपकी कार्ट वैल्यू थोड़ी ज़्यादा है तो this is something which is amazing for your hair. ये patented technology है and it's not like really available. So अगर आप you're looking for buying this product, now is the time for you to buy. ये चल भी जाता है 6 महीने, लगता भी बहुत थोड़ा सा है. मैंने इस पर डिटेल वीडियो बनाई है, आप चेक कर लेना. But if you are at all thinking to do something good for your hair, invest in your hair, this is a great product. Then next is Olaplex conditioner. This is also amazing. You can use any shampoo, but then you can use Olaplex conditioner. So it conditions your hair very well. और इसकी bond maintenance वाली जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, that is also great. Bond repair करता है ये, तो आपके hair जो normal frizz रहता है ना, वो नहीं दिखता, because जो नेचुरल बॉन्ड्स हैं हेयर के, वो भी इंटैक्ट करता है. जितना भी डैमेज हमने किया है उससे ये इंप्रूव करता है बालों को, विच इज ग्रेट. और अभी ये भी बहुत क्रेजी डिस्काउंट्स में. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज ओलाप्लेक्स पे आपको इफ यू बाय 2 और सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट्स कुछ, तो वो फ्रीबीज भी देते हैं, विच इज ऑल्सो ग्रेट. सो दिस इज अ फ्री थिंग दैट आई गॉट. इट इज अ बॉन्ड इंटेंस मॉइस्चर मास्क नंबर 8. आई थिंक ओलाप्लेक्स इज अमेजिंग, और अगर ये आप लोगे भी तो काफी लंबा लास्ट भी कर सकता है आपके लिए, अगर आप इसको इस हिसाब से यूज करो. मेरा वीडियो देख लेना. चलो मूविंग ऑन, हेयर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट hair oil. Amazing hair oil by Indie Wild. It's the Chumpy hair oil and it has lovely ingredients in it. You can really smell, especially रात में जब आप इसको लगाते हो ना, तो एक तो hair oil ही amazing है क्योंकि ingredients बहुत अच्छे हैं, आयुर्वेदिक ingredients हैं. साथ में इसकी जो smell आती है, that's so relaxing. It definitely helps me relax, calm down my nerves and is very good for your hair for sure. So the hair sparkler is not like an essential, but the Nexus hair mask, Olaplex shampoo, the bonding oil, the Indie Wild hair oil, all of these are like really essential, which are just so amazing. It's a whole team that works beautifully for your hair. So now we've completed hair. Let's move on to the skin section. And in the skin section, let me talk about the most important thing, the under eyes, which is mostly ignored by most of us. Even I've ignored them for a long time. But obviously, as you age, as you grow, you definitely need to take care of this skin because it's so soft. तो मैंने उसकी वजह से ये ब्यूटी ऑफ जॉनसन की जिनसिंग और रेटिनॉल की रिवाइव आई क्रीम ऑर्डर करी है, and it's amazing. The consistency is thick. It's really nice. Ginseng is also known for, like, you know, anti-aging benefits, and then retinol, which is also like a derivative of retinol. So it is also amazing. Gives you anti-aging benefits. So आप जब शुरू करो इसको थोड़ा सा शुरू करो और उसके बाद आप उसकी क्वांटिटी बढ़ा सकते हो. This is an amazing thing which is available for a good discount. Next is this Indie Wild lip balm, which is my favorite. It is in masala chai shade and it's like that beautiful brown, cinnamon brown on your lips. So if you are like a nude shade girly and you like your lip balms to be little tinted but don't want to put lipsticks, this is the thing that you want, girl. It's amazing. And also इसमें जो masala chai है ना, you can actually smell it on your lips and not in a bad way, like in a really nice way. So it smells of all the cinnamon, herbs and all of those, like masala chai की जो अच्छी सी fragrance होती है ना, वो आती है. And the shade is so beautiful and the the texture of this lip balm is also so thick that it keeps your lips moist also for a very long time. So if you're gonna try a lip balm, do try this. You'll love it, especially if you're into browns, nudes and all of those things. And also browns look so great in winter, so definitely a very good deal. So talking about lip balms, the next one is Laneige, and of course how can we not talk about Laneige. This one is their lip glowy balm in the shade Sweet Candy, and it actually makes your lips glow. Iska tint thoda sa halka hai, but the glow is really nice and balmy, and the texture is also very thick. So both of these lip balms are amazing. You can see the review and how it looks. I've made a shot, I'll link it somewhere. Next is this beautiful lipstick by MAC. This is MAC Meher, and I'm also wearing this. A lot of celebrities like Yami Gautam and a lot of other actresses also swear by this lipstick. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful nude and it is amazing. It's available at a great discount. So this is how it looks. That's the shade. It's such a creamy lipstick. It's velvety, soft, and it's also very hydrating, doesn't dry your lips, and the color is just beautiful, gorgeous, especially in winters. And also if you like nude browns, then this is something that you can get because it's available at a beautiful discount. So all these products are linked down below. Enjoy shopping. Bye bye, take care.